Hi, today I'm part of EMPORIA Smart 5 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's launch the settings application and then scroll down to the sound section. So here we'll see media, call, ringtone and alarm volume panels, and just to change them we should slide to the left or to the right side these white dots. If you want to activate vibration focus, you should click on the switcher to turn on or to turn it off. In default volume button control, we can switch media volume to the ringtone one. So now with the volume buttons, we'll change the medias, and if we'll switch it to the ringtones, we'll switch the ringtone volume. So we can also set here the don't disturb mode to activate the turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing and to change phone ringtone and default notification and alarm sounds. And also we can turn on and turn off the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds, vibration, touch sounds and touch vibrations. So just to turn on and turn off all of the switchers, we should click options, we should click on each of the switchers. And in sound attachments we can just use the volume booster for speaker. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.